today we're going to be doing edges, like edges tutorial, how I do my edges with this hairstyle. So it's really not much to get into, but first before getting this video, subscribe, like, and comment if you haven't already, and stay to the end of the videos because I do shout outs at the end of my video. So yeah, all I'm going to be doing is using my Eco Styler gel. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil one. I like this because it has little sparkles on it. But yeah, if you see me look over here, it's because there's a mirror right here, but I'm going to be mainly right here because, you know, y'all need to see. So yeah, I just need to... I guess y'all can kind of see like that. Okay, so first I'm going to be bringing the edges down a little bit. These are kind of already done because I already kind of did my hair and then I thought about this video. So I'm going to try and like kind of pick them up a little bit. So first what we're going to do is we're going to put this in here. So we're just going to do. So yeah, I just did the little swoop and then I'm gonna put my finger right here and push it up so it can kind of blend a little bit. See? Okay, that's the first one. And then we're gonna come over here, get the comb and kind of bring them down a little bit. So, okay, open this up, same thing, dab, dab, that much. I know my thing's kind of dirty, but it's, you know, it's okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put it on here and just swoop. That's how I usually do it, and then I go in with the comb part and I kind of fix it up. So I kind of go down, and then I just stop, and then I do like a straight line. See, look at that, like it's, you know, and then we're gonna do this one right here. And I think I put a little too much. Yep, I did. So we're gonna do, we did the swoop and then we're gonna use the comb part and still swoop. And then we're gonna do these right here at the bottom, down. Hope you guys can see. Probably about that much, you know. That much. I'm not good at these, by the way, so you know, don't come for me on these, but about that much. This thing is really dirty, but
just gonna see. Mommy.
You wanna go see mommy?
Dada.
Go see mommy and dada?
Mommy, Dada.
Stop. It's not the best, but this is how I do my edges most of the time. Except I don't do the little middle part, but it's okay. Something new today. So my hair is wet right now. I just did it, but I just wanted to show you guys how I would do my edges. And they don't look that bad. They could be better. I have done better, but I don't know what happened today because this one turned out okay, this side, but this side I don't like it too much, and then it keeps coming up. I don't know what's going on, y'all. It just be looking good sometimes. So you feel me? Sometimes it'll be looking better than this. So, but yeah, this is my edge tutorial. Hopefully it helps somebody, and maybe you seen something that I didn't and look good to you. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Looks really bad, but that's okay. I like this side the best though. So, you know, that one looks good. Anyway. But yeah, that's it for this video. This video is probably not gonna get posted, but if it is, It is. And today's shout out is going to, actually I have no idea because I did not look, but whoever it is, I'm gonna put it right here. So shout out to you, girl, or shout out to you, boy. And just know I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I'm a middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain dance. And we all in black, like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me